Hi and welcome to this Inspec tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to use the thesaurus, the numerical indexing and the chemical indexing to do your searches. Let's see if we can find any references that link the theory of superconductivity with the material titanium. I can limit my search by specifying different search fields or by limiting the time frame. So now let's search all fields, have our result presented in the relevance sorting, and we can keep auto-stemming. Let's search. And these are all results, and we can view them by clicking on the abstract. When viewing the result, we can see the Inspec control terms here, which are the terms that are used to index the database. We also have an abstract, which we can use to determine if we want to look at the full text version of this article or not. To get the full text version of this reference, look for this button with the KTHB symbol. Click on it. Click on the full text link. Find the PDF link on the page. Now we can either print it or save it to file. If we go back to our results, we can refine them by using the different click options in this box here. We can either refine using the author, author affiliation, control vocabulary, and so on. The best way of doing searches in Inspec is often by using the thesaurus. It is located here. And we can search for our terms and see if they are indexed in this database. Let's search for titanium. We can see that it is indeed a term. We can select it and it appears in the search box down here. We also select titanium alloys and titanium compounds, which we find in the related terms. We do the search. We repeat this process for superconductivity. The Inspec thesaurus will give you the results in alphabetical order, and you have to look until you come to the superconductivity part. Here we find superconductivity. We select that and then we view the related terms to see if we find something else. We see here that we have superconducting materials, so we use that as well. Now we want to combine the two thesaurus searches that we've done. So we go to the search history. We can see that we want to combine number 2 and number 3. So what we do is we write number 2 and number 3 and click enter. Inspec has some special indexing fields. We access these through the expert search. We'll start off by searching the chemical indexing field. We specify the chemical we want to use, which is of course titanium. If we want to search it as an element, and then we have to write WN, which is within, and CI, which is then chemical indexing. Next we search for a binary, which is titanium and one other element. And last but not least, we search titanium as a system. That is titanium together with 2 or more other elements. Say you want to search for carbon monoxide, but you don't want any hits for, say, corporation. Then you can search in the chemical indexing as a bin, and you don't get the hits you don't want. Let's say you want to restrict yourself to references containing a specified numerical value. In this case, I want a critical temperature of 25 Kelvin. I can do this using the numerical indexing. I just write what type of numerical value it is, in this case a temperature. I write the value I want in this form, and I specify the unit. I write within NI, which is the numerical indexing. If you go to IET's webpage, you can find under User Support Documentation the free indexing guide. Here you have a number of different ones, including chemical indexing and numerical data indexing. If you open this, you get the numerical thesaurus. By using this, you can see what type of numerical values you can search. So now let's go back to search history and combine all our titanium search. Notice that we use the OR operator here. Now we can combine the titanium and the superconductivity search. We get exactly 600 hits. For the final combination, let's try to limit ourselves to the temperature. This gives us 2 records. If we want to save this, we can either send them by email or download them to our computer. Via the download button, we can also send them directly to EndNote. Please view the EndNote tutorial for more information about this. If you have created an account at Engineering Village, you can use it to save your searches for later use or setting up an email alert. So every time the database is updated, you get new information from your old search. So, what did we learn today? We used 3 special indexes, the thesaurus, chemical index and numerical index, to do different searches, and we combined these in the search history. We also learned how to save searches. If you go to IET's webpage, you can find information about the different types of indexing. If you're having problems, please ask at the KTH library or take an information searching course. Please visit us at our homepage. Thank you.